Hello buddies, welcome back to another content from Bezali of Tech. So I'll be showing you guys how to build a hero section for an home page in Webflow using Webflow. So are you trying to learn Webflow online and you're looking for a short video, tutorial video, which is going to show you how to build custom hero section using Webflow? So right now, you create your Webflow account, you go to webflow.com and create a Webflow account. Then you choose a blank page. So after choosing a blank page, these are some of the navigation panels in Webflow. These elements, these are pages and these. So we'll be dealing more with these, add elements, this, and the assets. You understand? And the assets. So right now, the first thing first which I want us to do right now is to add an element of section. So I'm going to come here now and drag section. So I've added a section. So after a section right now, I'm going to be adding one other element, which is going to be a container. So I'm going to be adding a container. The container. The container is in. You can see that. So to navigate and see this, how it's being structured, you come to this navigator and you are going to see it. See the body element first. The section element is nested inside the body element, while the container element is nested inside this. So this is like the parents, child, and like this, like the grandparents, parents, and child. Can you see that? So you can see that. So the next thing which you are going to add right now is a text block. So I'm going to be adding a text block here. I'm going to be adding a text block. Inside the container, you can see the text block. So in this text block, I'm going to be adding a content here. The best cook. So you can see that. So after that, I'm going to be adding heading. So can you see that? I've added an heading to that. So let me preview it. Okay. Let me come back. I want to check if the heading is outside or inside. So you see that the heading is outside. So it must be inside the container. So let's see one. Do you understand? Yeah. So it's inside the container. Can you see the way I moved it inside the container? Before it was outside the container. It was in section. But right now I push it inside the container. So one thing which you are going to do right now is to change the text here. So I'm going to be changing the text here right now to food is the way to a man's heart. So you can see that food is the way to a man's heart. So you can see this. So the next thing which I'm going to be doing right now is to add an image. Okay. First thing first, which I'm going to be doing, you can see the section needs some padding. So I'm going to be adding some padding here. So let's have some padding of 60 pixels, top and bottom. So these are to add padding. You can see that. Spacing, you come to this place. We're going to add padding bottom of 60%. So you can see the padding. I've added some padding to that. Can you see that? So right now here, I think I need to add some width here to this. So let's ask a maximum width here, max width for the heading of 450 pixel. I think that's okay. 450 pixel. So we added a width to this of 450 pixel, which is making sense now. So what am I going to do right now? One unique thing which I want to teach you guys how to do right now is to add is to add a class. Is to add font style. So let's add font style. So I'll come to the body. Can you see that? Then I come here and navigate down to font. So these are special fonts that have been added here. Arial, if I change it to Oswald, you can see that. But I want us to add special fonts. So add fonts. You can see that. So here, we are going to add special fonts. So it's loading. Just give me a few minutes. So now we are going to add a font of Inter. You can see that Inter. So I'm choosing Inter. Let me choose Inter 6 regular. 600 font size. Add. Let me add Montserrat if Montserrat is there. So I want to add these two fronts. Is not here. Self. Yeah. Okay, Montserrat alternative. So Montserrat alternative is just, let me just add regular of that and put it here. So you can see that. So yeah, I'm just gonna refresh. Let me refresh this. I'm going to reflect. I'm refreshing. So this is a live video. So now let me go to the body. Can you see that? So now we are going to the fonts. So you can see it. You can see it. Inter is shown. So can you see the Inter? So body of Inter. I think that was cool. Then let's change this to Montserrat. The heading to Montserrat. Yeah. The heading has been changed to Montserrat. Bold of 900. I want to give it 900. Cool. So this text block, semi bold, 12. So more types. I want to capitalize all. So let's see. You can see the best cook is capitalized already. Cool. So now we are going to be adding the image. So let me go to pixels.com. Check. I think this is a good image. So the image is getting okay. You can see that. So we're going to be adding this image. Yeah. So right now, what I want to do right now is to add this image. I'll come to assets. I see that. You see that. And I'm going to be changing this. Okay, this is the image. So you can see the image. Image is of big size. So I want to push the image off there to just under container. It's under the container, which is not making sense. Let me push it to section. It's under section. So now it's under section. I'll come to the section here. Can you see? Let me remove this. Let me remove this from now. You can see this is the section. I'm on the section page, and you can see it's in section. That's the section. Can you see? It's under section. It's under section. It's under section. So you can view it here and see for yourself. It's under section. It takes the full width. So what I'm going to do right now is to add a margin to the heading. Is to add a margin to the heading. Is to add a margin. So after adding margin, I'll come here and add a margin of 20. And add a margin of 20. What I'm going to do right now is to add a background color. So I'll come to the body right now, and I'm going to add the background color. So we'll come to the background. I'm going to add the background color. So that has been added, and I'm going to change the color. I'm going to change the color here to white. So you change the color down to white. So after changing the color to white, text block now, I'm going to change the opacity here. So opacity here. So opacity of this should be 70. You can see that. So this is looking good. So this is a nice hero section. You can see this. So this is a nice hero section created using Webflow. You can see that. This is a nice hero section. Nice hero section. So make sure you like and subscribe to this video. You can see that. Nice looking hero section using Webflow. So thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe, and give it a thumbs up.